Hey people, Jared here, and today we're going to continue on our quest, our Clickbank case study using my lead gen secrets. Alright, so let's do a refresh of this page, and as you can see, I not have a sale. Okay, I did not get a sale yesterday. Um, so, and that's okay, that's totally fine. It's fine as it is, no problem with it. Alright, so go to the marketplace, right? Go to the marketplace and we're looking for e-business and e-marketing. We're gonna keep promoting the product we've been promoting lately. Get paid to use Facebook, put it YouTube, this product here. So we're gonna check that out. I want to see what last email I sent, Facebook one. All right, so we go to email swipes, we go to the next email swipe. Okay, that's the one I just sent, right? Yeah, that's the one I just. All right, so we're gonna go to this one here. Let's say pick face messenger, chat on messenger for $175. Okay, something like that. I don't know, just word it different. Basically copy this, chat on messenger. Got it wrong. Oops. Anyway, yeah, you put it in like that. Chat on messenger. Put a capsule. There you go. You got it. That's all you need to do. Right? I'm gonna just state this. I'm gonna delete it, right? We're gonna get the email here. Very simple to do. So we drag from here. Get all of this. Just cut. Boom. One piece. Boy, acting up a bit, guys. Sorry about that. I think the battery need replacing or something like that, guys. But don't worry about that. That's not in here nor there. You know what I mean? We bold italicize it. Right now, let's look over this and see if it makes sense. So first we gotta replace name with first name fits. So do that. Got that done. Get the link below to it. Available everywhere. Okay, so yeah, my keyboard obviously acting up. Probably need new batteries. I'll worry about that later. Like that. And so we just go here, get the link, finish, email just one. Here, that, boom, boom, make sure it works. Does, okay, good. Right, looking pretty good, guys. Click on this and we send an email. Wait, yeah, we're gonna send an email. Boom. All right. Oh yeah, make sure to click on perfect timing, guys. What perfect timing does is send an email around the time people check their emails. So they got a real good chance of checking it out. So anyway, once you finish with that, that's all it really is right there, guys. And we're gonna just send it to two more of my accounts, and do pretty much a copy paste of what I just did there. So we're gonna make a new tab. We're gonna log out on that tab. We're gonna log in on another account on this tab like this. We're gonna go back to where we was at. Boom. Now we're using the new tab here. All we gotta do is copy paste because we left the old tab open. Change this. You make sure you put a 2 here, or whatever the account it is for you guys. Boom. Send email. But I will log out of this. Again, I did your affiliate. That's my third account. So we're gonna keep on going like this. I'm sorry, I just blanked out for a second there, but it's pretty much copy paste over and over again, guys. Remember that. Very simple to do, very easy to do, very easy to understand. For some reason my mind drew a blank for a second. For some reason I was just thinking about something else. But anyway, let's get back in here. This basically, you make sure to copy that right there, then go to this account, then make sure that you replace this and change that. It's not all that important, but it is nice to know which account get which sale, you know what I mean? So anyway, we do that, we good, everything looks good, everything looks fine, fantastic. Let's keep it going. Then the email. That's all there is to it, people. Link in the description for my lead gen secrets. What I recommend is to have 2 accounts at least, so you can get 300 leads per day. So you can speed up your ability to make income on it. And there's a link in the description there. Now this is using just Clickbank. There's plenty of programs out there that this works better with, but Clickbank is the one we're using right now. So yeah. All right, guys, that's all I gotta say for today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.